a beautiful day. It's stunning out here. Bit of swell, but rather pleasant, very little wind. And well, the rods are out. So we got one over here, and you see, yeah, one out that side and one's out just behind me. And something hot and tasty between my legs. There we go. And it's beautiful. And poor Chunky's on baby duty. My bro, well, he's not feeling up to paddling apparently, so he stayed at home. And then there's my poor mate Trig, who's got to carry on working today. Down by, boys. I'll take care of the business for you, and I'll make certain I have enough fun out here for all of us, okay? Ah, dear. I better get back to drinking me drink and having a snack. There we go, only a small one, but he's there. Little whiting has made the day a complete success in my world, and so I'm a happy bunny. Alright, let's go, mate. There you go. I think we might have something on there. Well, after a brief fight, we got this little beauty. Now that's a nice little whiting. Very happy bunny, me. Oh yeah. I'm a very happy man now. Well, the whiting seemed to have gone off the boil for a while. Nothing seems to be biting, so giving you a quick look of my view. I've changed my anchor position, so I'm actually facing towards Plymouth now. Anchor's doing great, so chuffed with that. Anchor trolley's working nicely. And this is the view I am having to suffer on this beautiful day. A lot of rifle fire going on from the range over at Raleigh. Really can't see it being thunder with the blue skies. There we go. You go, boys. Don't you wish you were here, eh? God, it's terrible out here. I don't know how we put up with it. As for you chaps up north, well, I hope your weather comes something like this, because it's fabulous. Just wish the fish would bite a bit more. So we'll see, a few more hours to go yet. Well, as you can see, it's still an absolutely gorgeous day. There's no wind, got a bit of swell here, lovely sunshine, it's really warm. But we have had a major disaster here. I was sorting out my squid because the whiting had taken a battering on the lugworm. So I was sorting out my squid, and I thought it was in a plastic bag, and unfortunately the plastic bag turned out to be a plastic sheet, and all my squid just fell over the side and has given the fish an absolute field day on its own. So I've got about 3 or 4 worms left out of the small amount I brought. Oh, there goes the rod again by the look of it. Have we got something on the end of there? They're probably getting excited because of the amount of squid down there. I think I better investigate that just in case. But it doesn't look like I'll be out here much longer now. So let's see what's on this line.